Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we want to find the value of x given that you have x to the power of ln4 plus x to the power of ln10 equals x to the power of ln25. Though the problem is a little bit difficult and some people can expect and guess that s equals 0. No, x can also be another real value, not only x equals 0. So now let's see. But before that, note that in logarithm, when you have log a in base m, log m in base what? A that equals b. This equivalent to our m equals when you say a to the power of b. And this also implies that m can be written as a to the power of, what is your b? We have it to be log m in base a. So when you try to understand this expression, now, when you now have, in the case of you having a to the power of log c in base b, that looks like the problem we have here. Now, we have something like s to the power of ln4. You can see, or something plus x to the power of ln10 that equals x to the power of ln25. In this type of problem, we have something similar to this, where we have our a to be equals x, then we have our log to be equals ln, then we have it to be c to be equals for in base, different base, which can be base 10 or any base. Now, but we can express this expression as, by using this approach, we can have our a to be equals b, assuming we want to use b to the power of log a in base b. Now, we know that this, we cancel this, then we have our a back. Then to the power of log c in base b. So from here, this will give us b to the power of log a in base b, then multiplied by log c in base b. Now, this we can express it as, by picking this one first as b to the power of, take this one, log c to the base b, then again log a to the what? Base b. So from here, this we cancel this. That means we have c to the power of log a base b. And you can see we've changed the format of this problem to being what? This format. Me looking at this, this is empty as this expression is empty as the whole of this, and this. Now, which implies that from here you have our a to be equals s. Then we have our c to be equals 4, which can also be equals 10 and 25. And from here we have our b, which can be the base of this. Now, also, which implies that we can express this as the whole of this expression that we have here, s to the power of ln4 plus x to the power of ln10 that equals x to the power of ln25. We can express it, we transform this expression down to here. So we can have it to be 4 to the power of, we can have it to be 4 to the power of ln x plus 10 to the power of ln x equals 25 to the power of ln x. So from here, let's divide through by this. When we divide through by 4 to the power of ln x, 4 to the power of ln x, 4 to the power of ln x. So obviously, this will cancel this. We have here to be 1 plus, we can have this as 5, 2 here 1, 2 in this one, 2 here in this is 5, 2 here is 2, so we can have it to be 5 divided by 2, then all to the power of ln x. This expression we can have it as this, then equals, this one we can have it to be 5 to the power of 2, then 2 to the power of 2, then all to the power of ln x. So now from here you have 1 plus 5 to the power of 2 ln x equals, so from this we can interchange the power of this as 5 to the power of 2 ln x, then again to the power of what? 2. Now by arranging this expression, we have here to be 5 divided by 2 ln x, again to the power of 2. Then when we take the whole of this here, we have it to be minus 5 divided by 2 all to the power of ln x minus 1 equals 0. Now, so this is what we have. This is what we have. We can say let 5 divided by 2 all to the power of ln x equals t. So from here, this implies that we have this to be t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. Now, from here, we can solve this using quadratic formula as t will be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac, then all divided by 2a. Now, from here, we can easily get our a. When you compare with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have our a here to be equals 1, then our b here from here minus 1, then our c equals minus 1. So from here we can get our t to be equals minus into minus 1, positive or negative, square root of minus 1 all square minus 4 multiplied by our a equals 1, then our c equals minus 1, all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So from here you have t to be equals plus 1 positive or negative, square root of 1, minus times minus will be plus, 4 times 1 will be 4 divided by 2. So we have this one to be plus 1 positive or negative, square root of 5 divided by 2. But then we have 5 divided by 2 all to the power of ln s to be equals t, and t equals 1 positive or negative root 5 divided by 2. Now, me looking at this problem, this value cannot be what? It cannot be negative. So we have to take only positive from here. We don't need this negative. So we have here to be 5 divided by 2 all to the power of ln s equals 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now, let's introduce natural log to both sides. When you have log 5 divided by 2 all to the power of ln x in base 5 divided by 2 to be equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 in base 5 over 2. So from here, this will be ln x multiplied by 1. This will be 1. Then we have the whole of this as, we have, let this one to be equals this sign. When this one equals this sign, so we have here to be this. Now, from here you have to get the value of x, because we have ln s to be equals this. Now from here, e to the power of this, e to the power of this we cancel this. We have our x to be equals e to the power of, instead of writing this one, we have here to be equals this one. So we have e to the power of log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 in base 5 over 2. Then when you press this, we have it to be, when you press this one, we have the answer to be equals 1.691. So if you are new here, you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.